You're going to use your calculator in order to generate a random sample. And in order to do that, we're going to generate random numbers, and each of those numbers is assigned to a different student in the data we're looking at. So we need to learn how to use our calculators in order to create a random sample. So make sure you have a calculator in front of you. I'm going to walk you through the steps here. Obviously, you're going to turn it on. And we need to go to the probability menu. So the probability menu is found right here. You see the PRB button. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And it's going to bring up some different options. We don't want any of the options in this list. We want some options under the RAND is for random. So you're going to hit the right arrow button on your calculator, and it's going to bring up your list. The first one is just random. The second one, though, is random int for random integer, and that's the one we want. So you have two options to select that. You can either click the 2, because it's option number 2, or you can hit the down arrow and then hit enter. And it's going to bring up on our calculator screen here, random int. Now, we need to tell the calculator where we want our random numbers to come from. Our data points are labeled with numbers 1 through 100. So we need to tell the calculator that our range is 1 through 100. So we're going to start with the 1. That's our lower range. And now we need to insert a comma. The comma button, the comma you can see is right above the period. In order to access that comma, we have to hit the second button first. When I hit the second button, you'll notice I get that little message up here in the upper left-hand corner. It says second. It's kind of like the shift key on your computer, where if you hit the shift key, you're going to get the other option. So the comma is the other option for the decimal point. So once I hit second, I'm going to hit the decimal point. That gives me my comma, and my upper range is 100. So now I've told the calculator I want a random integer from 1 to 100. I'm going to end my parentheses, and I'm going to hit enter. The first random integer that's created is 78. Okay? Now I need to continuously repeat this process. All we have to do, we don't have to keep typing it in, is just hit enter. And it's going to continuously repeat and give me a new random integer every time.